How to add animation to Shopify Dawn theme. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can add animations to Shopify Dawn theme. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Shopify, you could also use my affiliate link below the description or earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Shopify, it is a leading e-commerce platform that enables individuals and businesses to create, customize, and manage their own online stores with ease, in which it provides a user-friendly interface and a wide range of tools that support everything from product listing and payment processing to inventory management and shipping integration. It also caters to entrepreneurs of all sizes, from small startups to large enterprises, offering scalability and flexibility through its app store and customizable themes. And Shopify also include features like analytics, marketing tools, and many more. So now to create an account, just click the link in the description or click the Start for Free button on the top right. After signing in, you can sign in here using your email or sign up using your Google, Apple ID, or Facebook. Then you will be directed on this homepage of Shopify. And now to start adding an animation in here to our Dawn theme, when you try to visit first your online store, you should be able to see here that there is no any other animations on your online store in here. So to add an animation in here, you can simply go back on this page, and on the home page, just go to the search bar and search for animations. And after that, below, it will show you the result. Just click the search animation to Shopify App Store. By clicking on it, you should be able to be directed on Shopify App Store, and below it will show you all of the results that you can choose from. We have here this page by landing page builder, where it will show you the overview about this application. And as you can see, it also offers here the pre-plan, where it will help you to build with flexibility, drag and drop group, align layouts with elements, and many more. And it will show you some other benefits it offers. But going back in here, you could also try this IMGify custom animation effect that is offer a free plan available and free trial available, where it will help you to celebrate your brand, add a falling image effect of your store's logo, fully customizable, control the number of effect images, speed, locations, and many more. And below, if you scroll down, it will show you the pricing plan that they offer. Now going back on this page, aside from that, you could also choose any other animation application that you can choose here. We have here this Brandify, the Mega Animated Cursor Effects, and any other application in here. But in those options, I'm just going to choose this one, IMGify Custom Animation Effect. At the start using it, just click the install button to proceed. Then you will automatically be directed on this page. Then simply click the install button in here, and upon clicking on it, you should be directed on the page where it will show you the plan that they offer. You can choose yearly plan and monthly plan, but I'm going to start a free trial on this yearly plan. By clicking on it, make sure that you also sign in or link your credit or debit card or even your PayPal account in here as payment method. Then click the approve button to proceed. And once the payment has been approved for the free trial, you will now be able to be directed on this page of IMGify Custom Animation Effect. You can proceed by clicking Open Falling Effect in here, in which you should be able to see here the step-by-step process on how you can start using this application to your online store. To get started, you can start activating the app embed by clicking the Activate App Embed button right here to enable IMGify app embed from your theme settings, and click Activate Now. Upon doing so, you should be able to see on the pop-up window the option, or alternatively, you can follow this step, which is on the app embeds. It will show you on the left side panel. Make sure to turn on this one and click the save button on the top right to save the changes. So this is basically what it looks like, and it will show you on this pop-up window. And once you've done activating it, you can now go back in here and click this Activate Now button to proceed. And since I already activated it, it will now show you in here once you try to refresh this page that we have now successfully turned on or enable this application to our Shopify online store in here. So all you need to do is to wait for it to load until it has been read. As you can see, it is now activated. Now the next thing that we need to do is simply upload here a falling effect image. You can click this button and click Add Image and choose from your computer files the image that you want as a custom design to fall on your homepage in here or your online store on Shopify. So let's say I'm going to choose these shoes and click upload button. And upon clicking on it, you should be able to see here the result or the effect of it once you try to install or try to upload it in here. So this is basically what it looks like on the right side panel. Once we open our store, this is what the following effect looks like. You could also navigate the effect in here, such as the animation type. I'm going to choose the circular as a type. And you could also choose the effect appearance location depending on your preferences. Or even navigate the number of effect images in here, such as 10, 20, and many more. And even choose the effect timeout with here to hide the following effect after. For example, the minimum in here is 10 seconds. I'm going to enter 11 seconds in here as an example. And after that, you could also fill out other required information below. You could also open your next store for $1 in here if you want to. But if you're not done, you can now proceed by navigating the save button or clicking on it on the top panel to save the changes. Or you could also add the presets inside of the image. We're going to choose here, for example, is Christmas or even snow if you want to. By clicking on it, it will show you the result on the right side panel. Now at this point, I'm just going to select here the preset as a summer. By clicking the summer, it will show you what it looks like. And if you're now done, just click the save button on the top panel to save the changes. Now by doing so, it will automatically be saved the changes that we just applied. And to see the result, you can simply view our online store in here. And upon viewing it, it will show you that the sun is now being added upon opening the homepage of our online store. Which means that we already had here add the animation. But you could also navigate some other application if you want to by doing it or simply installing. You have here, for example, this Mochi, where you could also start installing for free, or you can choose your own design, upload from your computer files, and choose the kind of animation that you prefer to input in your online store. And you could also add some other elements on your online store and add an animation on it using some other applications in here. For example, for the button cart, we have here this animated button cart by clicking on it and installing to start navigating and add to our online store. So basically, the animation plays an important role in enhancing the user experience of Shopify websites. It helps create visually appealing and engaging storefronts that can capture visitors' attention and guide them smoothly through the shopping process. And animation can be used for transitions, product previews, hover effects, loading indicators, and call to action buttons, all of which contribute to a more interactive and dynamic shopping experience. And by making navigation feel more intuitive and responsive, animation can increase customer satisfaction and encourage longer browsing times. But overall, that is just basically how you can add animations to Shopify Dawn theme. Thank you.